What is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow hashtags on LinkedIn. First, you need to head over to your Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, you need to type LinkedIn. And after redirecting to the official website of LinkedIn, you need to sign up or log in with your LinkedIn account. And when you are redirected to the home page of LinkedIn, from here on the left side, you can see the search bar. Click on this, and then you need to search for the hashtag that you want to follow. After searching for the particular hashtag that you're looking for, scroll down until you see that hashtag in someone's post. As you can see, I have seen this tech hashtag here. I'll just click on it, and then this will show me all the tech hashtag posts. After clicking on a hashtag at the top, you will see that hashtag, and below that, you will see the blue follow button. Just simply click on that follow button, and then you will be able to follow that hashtag on LinkedIn. So, this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.